Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will learn how to simply repair a ceiling fan that is turned off due to thunderstorm. You can see this ceiling fan starter here, and in this ceiling fan starter, both the common connection from starting coil and the running coil both are missing due to thunderstrike, and the connection is not able to find out because I have tried many times to find out the connection. So from the starting coil I have taken one separate wire, that is a thin copper wire I have used here for the connection purpose, and a single wire from the slot I have taken and connected for this single copper wire. And from the running coil also I will take a separate wire connected to a thin copper wire. So here you can use a thin copper wire, that is multi-strand wire also you can use 1.5 mm or 1 mm. So you can see here I have separated a single wire from this slot, from where the common connection wire from the starting running coil was been taken out. So you can see here I have removed the insulation from this single wire, and properly I have binded this wire, thin copper wire. And friends, here one point you have to note down: you have to use a soldering iron so that the connection is properly maintained in the point where you have connected the wire. So I have joined both the wire here so that it can be used as a common connection. So it will be act as a common connection which is normally used in ceiling fan and motor. And the red wire which is here, you can see this. Friends, you can see here I have connected the common connection with this red wire, and I have and also I have used this insulation tube on this wire also. And finally I have tested in my series test lamp also the continuity in these three wires, and all the three wires showing my continuity properly, and no sorting has been seen in my series test lamp testing. Now I am assembling this ceiling fan, and now it is ready to test for the, and the result will be amazing because the speed of the ceiling fan will be not decreased, because you can see I am using testing for this, and the speed is maintained as before, no decrease here. So friends, you can see how I have repaired my ceiling fan in 5 minutes damage due to thunderstrike. Friends, like this video, please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Thank you.